Hey everyone, I'm Jack at Sioux Falls Dent Repair. Today we're working on this 2016 Porsche Macan S. We're going to be taking a minor door ding out of it here. So we've actually already started a little bit on the repair process here. So we've already got the window rolled down and our window guard installed there to protect the window so that we can go through the upper window channel to fix that dent. So essentially, looking at it in kind of a natural light reflection, that's about what the dent looks like. And then we whip the camera around here and look at it with our paintless dent repair light. It looks quite a bit more extreme than basically just a... It is still a minor dent, but it definitely, the light actually intensifies the look of it. That's how we're actually going to fix this damage. So how we're going to go about getting access to this damage is we've already got our window guard installed here. Basically, we roll the window down, and then we install a window guard to protect the window, and then we install an inflatable wedge. So we actually air this up, pump it up, and that opens up this upper channel. That allows us to get a tool in between there and actually access this door. So what we're going to actually use today is this guy here. This is a door tool from PDR Finesse. It actually has an adjustable handle, so I can actually push on this button here and adjust this handle anywhere I want. So I can have it lining up with the flag there with the end here, or not, or however, whatever is best comfortable for me. So that's actually going to allow us to run this tool basically down through this door here. I'll do the best I can to hold this out. And then actually I'm going to end up basically twisting this tool to push that dent out. So that's how we're going to go about getting this dent out of this Porsche today. We actually we've got a Dodge Ram here with some minor hail damage in it that was from the recent hailstorm. It was hit up on north side of town. Nothing too extreme, pretty minor damage actually, but we're actually taking care of that today as well. So basically we're just kind of, this is a pretty general explanation of door ding dent repair here that we're doing. We're not getting into taking any of the moldings or any of the interior trim panel or anything like that off on this one. It's pretty straightforward, just straight through the glass there and then pushing that dent out. So it's there's no bracing or anything like that in. I already checked it out with that tool and walked it and put the tool in there and actually worked or tried to push on the dent already. So we're good to go. We're going to go get started on this one. If you've got any questions about the dent repair process, feel free to leave them in the comments here. We'll go ahead and read them here, and we'll get either make a video about answering that specific question or answer them right in the comments. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys.